When I created the Harmonic Egg, my deepest hope was to build a sanctuary, a place where people could step away from the noise of the world and give their bodies permission to reset. But I know that not everyone can visit a physical chamber, and honestly, the world is getting louder and more overwhelming by the day. That's why I built the Harmonic Egg Music app. I wanted to take that exact same intention and put it right in your hands so you can access peace whenever you need it most. Now, you want to know how it works. Our bodies are purely energetic, and when we experience stress and trauma and simple daily exhaustion, our internal frequencies can fall out of tune. This app uses the precise science of sound therapy to gently pull your nervous system out of that frantic fight or flight or freeze mode and into a deep state of restorative rest. We don't use heavily compressed audio that strips away the healing qualities. Instead, we deliver pure, high-integrity tracks designed to interact directly with your cellular energy, helping your body shift its vibrations back into perfect balance. The music on this app isn't just generic background noise. I have spent years sourcing and collaborating with incredible high vibrational musicians, visionaries like Harmony Pavette, Joe Cruz, Barry Coates, may he rest in peace, who understand exactly how to construct spacious, slow, evolving landscapes. They're so beautiful. They use specific acoustic instruments, and the waveforms of these instruments are soothing flutes and resonant chimes. They're tuned precisely to align with the body's natural energy centers and organs and chakras. Every single note was recorded with love, integrity, and strict intention to support deep cellular healing. I'm seeing shift happen all the time, but one story always stays with me. I remember someone who came to me absolutely carrying the weight of the world on their shoulders, living in a constant state of severe anxiety, barely sleeping, and feeling entirely disconnected from their own body. Anybody can relate to that? I know I could at some points in my life. They started listening to these exact wellness tracks, and within just a few sessions of listening and letting these frequencies wash over them, they woke up completely free of the physical tension they'd carried for months. They told me it felt like their mind had finally quieted down enough for them to just breathe again. And this is how the power of giving your body the right environment to heal works. Don't you agree that we all deserve to have a sanctuary? I do. If you're struggling with nervous system energy, overwhelm, or anything that just feels off in your body, you should actually try it.